This Parker about to take a jump. Ready, set, go!
I gotta turn around.
If he's going to do a jump. Coming back around.
I didn't get any, or did I?
Didn't really do that good.
That's horrible. Yeah, I did it. Baby!
Well, he's gonna come back around. I hope he makes a good jump. But here, I'll go from right here, and you'll see. Right here, you'll see him hit the thing, and he'll jump. Okay, coming back around. Bye. Okay. That was Parker.
I didn't get good air.
Nope.